On this video today, I'm going to show you a secret trick that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without investing any money, without any experience, and without any skill. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to come on this website, mangoose.com. I don't know how to pronounce it well, so just forgive me. mangoose.com. Once you are on the website, you are going to see a page like this. This particular website has a lot of tools that can help business owners, bloggers, and anyone who has a website to optimize their websites for ranking on Google. When I click on SEO tools, you can see right here they have a lot of different tools that will help people to rank their websites on Google. You can see this one is keyword finder. You can see search engine results page checker. You can see a whole lot of different tools that people can use to rank their websites on Google. If you don't have a website, don't worry, because what we are going to do is that we are going to use a simple trick so that we can make money promoting this particular website. So now what we have to do is that we have to scroll down so that we can join this particular website as an affiliate. Once we join as an affiliate, we can promote it to people who have websites so that they can sign up for a plan on this website for us to make money. You can see right here, these are plans that a potential client will join. As you can see, they have three of them. They have the basic, the premium, and the agency. So any of them that your potential visitors sign up for, you are going to be earning a commission. So let me just scroll down to show you where you can sign up to become an affiliate. So let me just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see affiliate program. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, this is the commission structure of the program. You can see if you get people to sign up for a basic plan, you are going to be earning $14 per a person. You can see it right here. If you get people to sign up for the annual premium plan, you are going to be earning $143.64 per person. You can see this plan right here. You're going to be earning $107.64. You can see this one. You are going to be earning $287.64 per person. You can see this one. You are going to be earning $20.70 per person. This one you are going to be earning $38.70 per person. So now what you have to do is that you have to join the affiliate program and then invite as many people as you can so that a lot of people will sign up for you to make money. To sign up for an affiliate account, what you have to do is that you have to just click right here, start earning now. If you click on it, you can sign up for a free account. If you don't want that, you can just click right here, start 10-day trial. Once you click on it, you can sign up for an account. So once you sign up for an account, you can get an affiliate link. I have an account. I'm going to sign it to show you how you can promote this particular tool to people so that they can sign up for a plan for you to make money. Once you sign up for an account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, these are the tools that your potential visitor is going to get when they sign up for an account. You can see they have keyword research. You can see local search engine results page analysis, backlink analysis. You can see SEO metrics. You can see they have SEO extensions. As you can see, it is free. So if you get people to sign up for an account, they are going to get access to these tools. Let me use the keyword research for you to see. Let me just click on it right here. So once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can enter a keyword right here. Just enter any keyword. Let's type something like lose weight, something like this. This is a keyword. If you want, you can search by keyword. You can also search by domains. If you want, you can come right here and then select a country that you want. So as you can see, these are the tier 1 countries. You can select any of them, or you can select anywhere so that you can search worldwide. In this case, I've selected the United States. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to select your language right here. You can see it is available in several languages. As you can see, many of them. So the clients can select any language that they want. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, find keywords. Once you click on find keywords, you can see right here, this is the first keywords, best weight loss program. You can see it is getting a search volume of 22,200. You can see right here the cost per click is $6.25. You can see the second one is quickest way to lose weight, and you can see it gets up to 12,600 searches. You can see the cost per click is $2.76. As I scroll, you can see many other keywords. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of them and the search volume. So this particular keyword tool is a very nice tool that can help website owners. You can see it has provided a lot of different keywords. You can see right here, this is the difficulty score of the keyword. When you lose weight, if your potential client has a website about weight loss, you can see it is very hard for you to rank on Google. So it is something that can guide your potential client as to how to get their website rank. As you can see, it's right here. You can see this is the total monthly volume. You can see it gets up to 221,000 searches every month. You can see it right here. This is the monthly searches. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to promote the website. To promote the website, you are going to come back on your dashboard. Once you come back on your dashboard, you are going to click right here, affiliate. Once you click on affiliate, you can see this is the payment threshold, so you must earn up to this amount before you are paid. And you can see right here, this is your affiliate ID. So you have to get people to sign up for the tools through this particular link so that you can earn a commission. What you have to do is that you have to come right here and then click on get promo materials. Once you click on get promo materials, you can see this is your affiliate link. If you want the second one, you can copy it. Once you scroll down, you can see if you want a banner, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to copy this particular code. Once you copy it, you can embed it on your website. Apart from that, there are other tools that you can use. So just click right here, download logo, so that you can get some materials to promote the product. In this case, what we need is that we only need the affiliate link. We just want to copy the affiliate link so that we can use it to promote this particular tool. So just click right here, copy. Once you copy your link, you are going to paste it right here. Once you paste your link, this link looks spammy, so what you have to do is that you have to shorten it. So just click right here, shorten, so that you can shorten the link. Once you shorten the link, you can see this is how it looks like. So you are going to begin promoting this particular link so that you can get people to sign up for the tool. The next step is that you are going to come on Google and then search for dentist in New York, and then you can see right here quotation mark gmail.com, and you can see quotation marks close. What we are going to do is that we are going to search for professionals who have websites but they are not ranking on the first page of Google. So what we are going to do is that we want to help them by promoting the tool to them so that it can help them rank their websites on the first page of Google. So if you want, you can change the profession right here to barbers, you can change it to plumbers, you can change it to any profession that you want. Once you change it, the town, you can also change it. You can change it to Ontario, Canada, you can change it to London, you can change it to California, you can change it to any place that you want. The Gmail right here, you can change it to Hotmail, you can change it to Yahoo, or any email server that you want. You can just change it, but make sure you put the quotation marks on it. Once you have your keywords like this, just click search. Once you search, you are going to scroll down. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, this is an email of this particular website owner. You can see it right here. When you come right here, you can see this person right here. This is the email address of the website owner. You can see this particular website here. This is an email address of the website owner. When you scroll down, you can see many of them. You can see this one right here. This is the email of the website owners. So now what we have to do is that we have to extract these emails so that we can contact the website owners and then inform them about the tool. But you know, all these websites don't need to be ranked again because they are already on the first page of Google. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here. You can either target websites in page 2, you can target those in page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6, and then you can see the rest. Don't target those in page 1 because they are already ranking. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to target those in page 4. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So as I scroll, you can see these are websites for people and they want to rank on the first page of Google. You can see this particular website right here. This is the email address of the owner. So now what you have to do is that you have to highlight and copy all this text. Just highlight and copy it. Just highlight and copy everything. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come on this website, extractemailaddress.com. So just search for extractemailaddresses.com. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Just paste the text that you copied right here. Paste it right here. Once you paste it, you can see the website has automatically extracted the emails. You can see these are the emails addresses. You can see everything. You can see these are the email addresses of the website owners. When you come right here, you can see these are the phone numbers. You can see if you want to target them by phone, you can do that. Let me scroll down to show you. You can see right here, these are the website addresses. If you want to visit their websites and then see how they look like, you can just select any of these websites and then do that. What we are going to do is that we are going to target them by email. So we are going to copy these emails and then target them so that we can get them to sign up for the tool for us to make money. So now what you have to do is that you have to copy the email addresses. So just click right here, copy. Once you copy it, the next step is that you are going to clean these particular emails because some of them might be invalid. So you are going to clean them so that you can get the valid ones. So you have to come on this website, jitbit.com. just search for jitbit.com. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Just paste your emails right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your emails, click right here, clean the list. Once you click on clean the list, you can see the list is cleaning right here. You can see it is checking, so you have to wait for it. It is checking, so just wait for it to finish everything. You can see it has cleaned the list, and these are the only valid emails. When you come right here, you can see valid emails. You can see there are only 4. All the invalid emails, it has removed them. So you are going to just highlight and copy the valid ones. Just highlight and copy everything. Once you highlight and copy the valid ones, you are going to open a new Gmail account. Once you open your Gmail account, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, compose. Once you click on compose, you're going to see a page like this. You can see right here the recipients. So you are going to paste your email addresses right here. So just paste your email addresses right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to type your subject right here. So just type your subject. So you are going to scare them a little bit so that they can take action immediately for us to make money. So just type something like action required, something like this. You are going to type something like this. Here you are going to type something like your website SEO needs urgent attention now. So something like this. Just scare them a little bit. You have to scare them so that they can open your email. So once you have your subject, the next step is that you are going to paste the body of your email right here. So I'm going to paste my message right here. As you can see, this is my message, and you can see right here you have to insert your website link right here. So this is where you are going to insert your affiliate link. So you have to paste your affiliate link right here, so that when they open the email, they can read through and then click on your affiliate link. Once they click on it, they are going to be directed to the tools. Once they get access to it, if they like it, they are going to sign up for you to make money. So you are going to come back on bitly.com and then click right here, copy, so that you can copy your certain link. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then just insert it right here. Let me insert it for you. As you can see, that has been done. This is your link. The next step is that you are going to type your name right here so that it will look more professional. So just type your name right here. So just type your name right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, send, so that you can send this particular email to the website owners. Once you send them, they are going to read it and then click through your affiliate link, and so that they can sign up for the tool for you to make money. So just click right here, send. Once you click on send, you can see it is sending. You can see message sent. So the message has been sent, and you are going to get them to take action for you to make money using this particular affiliate marketing trick without investing any money. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.